Today here on Crawl Zone 207, I'm going to have some recommendations for some Christmas gifts for the Jeeper in your life. Welcome to Crawl Zone 207. My name is Larry. We do all kinds of stuff on this channel. Reviews, overlanding trips, installation videos, and that kind of stuff. Today I'm going to do some gift recommendations for Christmas, or whatever holiday you celebrate around the 25th of December. One of the first things we're going to talk about is, when you're off-roading, we air down, like always. So when we do that, one of the things to have is highly recommended, you're going to need a pressure gauge. See what your air pressure is on your tires. There's a couple different ways to air down. One of the most common ones, just an air down tool like this brand here. Pretty simple. Screw it on, air down your tire. It's got a gauge built right on it. Another brand, another style is these brass things. This particular brand, and there's multitude. They all work the same. Screw this in. It's got a jam nut on here, and you can adjust it to whatever tire pressure you want. And set them all the same. Disadvantage, they're set at whatever tire pressure you set it at. Certain conditions dictate certain tire pressures, which I won't get into today, but either one of those is a great product and a great gift idea. Fit in stocking. Now another good recommendation is a tire repair kit, because it's not if you get a flat, it's when. And this one you can buy in a local Walmart or wherever. Pretty handy kit. Necessity. Everyone should have one of these in the back of their rig somewhere. A little cubby hole in the back or somewhere. And of course, after you air down, you're going to need to air back up. So this is one option. This is, as you can see, a Vi-Air. It's a portable air compressor. And this one clamps onto your battery. If you ever want to plug in a cigarette lighter. And this one has the air up tool right with it. It's a kit. Tells you air pressure. Plug it onto your valve stem. Plugs in right there. Pretty slick kit. Works great. Now I'll move on to some other stuff. Some Jeep clubs, including some of the ones that we belong to, require or at least recommend having a couple of these items. One is a first aid kit. You can get these about anywhere. You get different levels of real simple stuff or an advanced kit. Get one of these, know how to use it. Make sure that if you've had it for a while, go through it and make sure the stuff in it isn't gone bad. Because sometimes they can, for sitting for long periods of time and not using them. Some of the stuff, the teasers could go bad. It's got some salve in there, that's gonna go bad. Just check your kit if you got one already. If not, one of these is highly recommended. And sometimes required again. Another thing is another good item to have in your Jeep, if not recommended, depending on who you ride with, a good fire extinguisher. This one is an ABC, and obviously fire extinguisher, you want it rolling around in your rig, so this particular holder mounts on a roll bar in the Jeep, either the B-pillar roll bar in the back, keeps it nice and secure, easy access, and make sure it's in the green. Another handy item is a phone holder. This one we took out of the Jeep, but just a spring-loaded phone holder. This one mounts on an apparatus that's in the dash of the vehicle, and as this picture will show you. And really handy for people that are on the phone all the time. You can use this for navigation if your vehicle doesn't have nav. Really handy rig. Another almost a necessity if you want to keep your vehicle real nice is a good set of seat covers. This is just the back of a front seat, but this one here is a ballistic nylon, really good stuff. Highly recommend this company, but even the neoprene ones will protect your seats from getting trashed from mud and sand and whatnot. And if you got dogs or messy kids, this will definitely help keep your seats nice. And along with that is a nice set of floor mats. These ones in particular have a little high sides on them. We live here in the Northeast. We get a lot of slosh and sand and salt and whatnot. This keeps it contained right in these mats. You take them out and wash them out when you do your car wash. And these are a necessity because to keep your vehicle nice and from keeping the floors from rotting out from the salt and sand if you live in the snow belt like we do. Another great product that we recommend is door sill guards. When you open up your door, the sill plate right there, they make either stainless, plastic, and they stick down with a 3M adhesive, and they protect your paint from getting in and out, with your feet scuffing on them and whatnot. Not really expensive, and they really save your vehicle. Another useful item that I recommend is window vent shades. We put them on every vehicle we get, and they're extremely helpful in the summertime especially. You can keep your windows rolled down. So that's the hot air out and the cool breeze blow through if you get any. Going down the road, you can leave them down some with the windows open. You can leave your windows down some when it's raining. Even when you park, it doesn't rain inside the vehicles because of the design of the window vent shade. Another great gift idea is vehicle paint protection. And up here in the Northeast, the salt, road salt, and calcium chloride, or whatever that junk is they put on the roads, is brutal on the paint, among other things. But at least with this stuff, you can protect your paint. One is a wax, one is a spray cleaner. They both protect your paint. That's like a ceramic coating is what they are. We've tried this on a couple of vehicles and it works outstanding. The stuff just rolls right off, works great. Highly recommended. In addition to that, regarding winter salt belt paint protection and gift ideas, is brand fluid film. There's other brands. I'm really happy with this product. We've used it for years. Spray this in your door jambs, inside your doors, inside all those nooks and crannies that you can't get at, underneath the vehicle. All those unpainted parts underneath, just keep it away from your brakes, obviously. But this is a really good product. Protects your paint, protects it from rusting. The stuff creeps. You spray it inside something like rock rail on a Rubicon model, and it'll actually creep inside it. It'll spread all by itself, like inside your frame. It creeps really well. Does a really good job. Depending upon how often you wash your vehicle and how abusive you are with a car wash nozzle, if you do it yourself, this may have to be applied once or twice in addition to your first application because of the pressure wash. Will wash it away eventually, as well as road grime and the road salt and stuff kicking up will wash it away as well. But this stuff is fantastic stuff. Works great. Now, a link to about all these products will be in the description below. There's probably something on this list that a Jeeper in your life could definitely use. So if you got anything out of this video, please click the like. Hit the notification bell if you'd like. That helps us out a lot. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Appreciate you. And till the next one, we'll see you.